Designing for hurricane-prone areas, necessary protective glazing and frames. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we cover the need for protective glazing and frames when designing for hurricane-prone areas and learn how the Florida Building Code stringently addresses hurricane protection in the Florida region. The majority of our Gulf and East Coast areas are subject to damage by hurricanes. Since Hurricane Andrew devastated South Florida in 1992, new codes were developed to provide protection and reduce the possible damage to material and human lives from hurricanes. After Hurricane Andrew, Florida and later other coastal states along the Gulf and eastern area adopted more stringent codes for testing exterior glazing under high-velocity winds. ASCE 7 provides a standard method for evaluating wind load. This standard utilizes variables to determine a wind speed in terms of PSF, or pounds per square foot. These variables include wind speed in miles per hour, exposure, and building importance. ASTM E 1886 and 1996 are test standards for areas with high windborne debris. These include large and small missile impacts and cycle testing under pressures. Unique to Florida is the Florida Building Code, which requires approval codes for all products sold in Florida and additional testing for those to be used in HVWZ, or high velocity wind zones. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.